Welcome everybody to our very first devlog. It's also for our game jam for Addy Valentine Game Jam. We've got 3 days to make a 2D game, or any sort of game based on the theme of Valentine's, and it's on the theme of cheating. So we're going to work on first making our designs for our start menu and death menu and coding them. Part 1 is going to be the start menu, part 2 is the death menu, and then we're also going to do game screen and play movement menus as well. All 3 parts. So I'm going to start with a background. We'll search at Valentine's. Find a nice little Valentine's Day background. Just so we can give us a nice little game screen background so we can use. I think basic. Does that work? No, let's not use that one. Let's go back to Valentine's. I'm going to find something basic to use as like a Valentine's Day background. I'm going to remove that as well. Choose this. This works. There we go. Now we're going to go to elements. We're going to get ourselves some hearts. So let's go ahead and use these hearts right here. Let's shrink them. And then we got our little start screen and death screen right here. So this is what we're going to use for our start screen and death screen. So let's download this. Download it. Boom. Got that done. So we want to now ahead and go open up Unity. We want to have 3 things. We want to actually create 3 scenes real quick. Let's go into our scenes. Let's create 3 scenes. Where's scenes on here now? So scene, we want a start menu. From the start menu, we also want our game menu. So create scene. Where's it gone? There it is. Scene, game. Put this in game screen. And then we want death screen. And then you want the death menu. So that's our 3 scenes we're working on. Death menu. So we want to go ahead and open up our start menu first. Now we want to remove our sample scene. So since we're going to be doing this any other time, because we're going to actually full screen this as well. So we want to go ahead and go to File, Build Settings. We're going to add Open Scene. So then we want to drag in the game screen and the death menu, like that. So now we've got that'll start, and then that'll start. So we now have all 3 of our things set up. So the first thing we want to set up, we've got nothing on here. First thing we want to set up is going to be our UI background. So we want our image. Go ahead and access our image and then make this full size. Go ahead and make this full size. We're going to zoom this thing out real quick as well. Just going to very quickly just plug something in so we can quickly zoom all this stuff out, because we don't need my mouse so we can zoom stuff out. Let's grab my mouse. Plug this in for now, just so we can zoom out until I need to use my proper keyboard to type. Oh shit, just cut off from recording. Did we go recording? I did not. Okay, perfect. So we just want to go ahead and just zoom out so it's like the size of this. There we go. Then we want to go ahead up to image, grab this, zoom it to full size. If you know, check my game screen, that white screen. Let's name this background. Name this our background. Perfect. Now we want to go ahead and we'll make a folder called prefabs. Prefabs. We want to go ahead and get our screen. So let's go to our downloads. Get our background screen into prefabs. Load quickly. There we go. It should be in. Just doing prefabs. Boom. Background. Open that. Put that as the sprite. Now we can open up the game and we've got our background screen. Perfect. So now we want to work on some more things. So we want to go ahead and under canvas, get UI, get us text Pro, import all this real quick. Import. Let's everything import as quickly as possible. Waiting for it to import all of our text Pro stuff because that's what we need. Perfect, there we go. We've got all that. Now we've got the text. We want to drag this up to the top. We want to change the colour. Put it to black so you can see it. This is going to be called HeartBreaker. And it's big. Give this a size, say what, 100. Yeah. Should be fine. Perfect. Thickness Pro. Drag this a little bit. Put there. Perfect. And I want to underline that as well like this. See on the game screen. And it says HeartBreaker for that. So that's that. That's going to be put that, call that title. So then we want two things. We want our buttons. So I think we're going to create. Let's create an empty. Call this buttons. Under this we want UI button. And call this my design. Call this sheet button. And this is literally call this start. Click the start button. We want another button as well. So we're going to go ahead and duplicate that. Click quit. Grab the quit button, drag it underneath like this. Mount, look at this, pretty small. Isn't too big, these should be perfectly fine. So let's start by changing the text on the buttons. Text this one wants to be called sheet time. Give that maybe like size 20. And the quit text. Call this one be loyal. This also another size of 20. Now we check the look of these buttons. These are buttons. Well, actually, I'm going to make these buttons a little bit bigger. Maybe not much bigger, just a little bit bigger. And then I'm going to delete that one real quick, just size this up to what I want it to be. That looks decent. That looks decent, and then I'm going to go ahead and control duplicate that. Select quit. Drag that below. Right there. Change the text to be loyal. Perfect. Then our start button and our quit button. So treat time and be loyal. So that's treat time and start, be loyal, and quit the game. So I'll go ahead and also make a script folder. C# script. Call this our start menu script. Put this in its own. We want to put these in a folder called scripts. Once I make my scripts folder. There you go. Scripts. I didn't spell that correctly, but it's fine. Scripts. Open that start menu script up. Right, open up Visual Studio, hopefully. Here we go. I'm bringing up Visual Studio. Now this is everyone our mouse plugged in, our keyboard plugged in. There we go. It's not assigned to Visual Studio. Skip this for now. Just start Visual Studio, please. Once it decides it wants to load. There we go. Should boot up now. Maybe should open up. Perfect. So, let's grab my keyboard. There we go. There's this to open our file. No, I want to keep this open. So, we don't want these functions. Remove all these functions. First function we actually do want to set up is going to be using fuck off, I don't want that, please, thank you. Using Unity engine, using Unity engine dot scene management. Close that off, let's save that. Let's give myself some lines because this is going to be for our scripts. Save that. So we want public void, put it under play game. This one's brackets, curly brackets. This is going to be scene manager dot load scene brackets. Close that off. So this is going to be our play game. It's going to be scene 1, I believe. And then we want our public void quit game. So that's literally just application.quit. Application.quit. Perfect. This should now hopefully work. Rid of this. I'm going to go straight onto our buttons bar, I think. Spelled scene manager under now. Scene manager. Well, that script should now be fixed. There should be nothing wrong with this. It's giving me errors, there should be nothing wrong with the script. Line 16. Let's just remove this line of code for now then. Just remove this line of code for now and just remove this error, just for now. And we'll fix that another time. There we go, perfect. I think the script is going to want to be under this, I think. Now we go to button, scroll down, add a list, game object, buttons, function, start menu script, play game, quit, grab the game engine, the game object, function, start menu, quit game. Now these buttons should now work when you click on them. We will test that. Let's just do maybe red as our normal color. Let's go reddish for our normal color. That, and I want to copy that. Open up the color palette for the quit button as well. Like that. And then we'll just leave as quit click buttons as that. Should be fine. And let's just save this. And let's quickly test it. Does the cheat time should, when I press cheat time, it should open up game scene. Perfect. So what that is up the design. So we now want to go ahead and add our audio source in. Get that to loop while it's open. I'm going to go ahead and grab our audio, which is wherever I put my audio. I believe I put that in my Game Jams folder. HeartBreaker. That's my documents, this PC. Desktop. Game Jam. I believe this is in my music spot. There it is. Just play in my scripts now, because this really is technically going to be a script. I had just grabbed it off loyalty free, just grabbed some loyalty free music just to work. Audio clip, which now should give me, yeah, that's right, should now give me audio. So should now give me some game audio. Perfect, we now have game audio on our start menu. Our start menu now has game audio. Perfect, so that's the end of part 1 for day 1 of the Game Jam. Part 2, we will be doing our death menus. So writing the script for our death menu and doing the music for the death menu and the design for the death menu. We'll probably keep the same background design, we'll be just changing the UI and all that around. So I'll see you all in the next devlog video for our Game Jam. Bye bye.